Yo guys, so I'm going to show you guys a brand new method to get SideStore on all iOS devices and all iOS versions. And it's pretty crazy, guys. So you can sideload any apps using this, guys. So I've got it running absolutely flawlessly, guys, on my iPhone 15 Pro on the latest version of iOS, guys. And yeah, it's super easy to do. No computer is required at all. You don't need to do anything crazy with your device, guys. You can do this just using your phone and your browser, or also your iPad. And yeah, like I tried this on different versions, guys, different devices. Like iOS 27 beta even worked on iOS 18, and it's running flawlessly, guys. So let me just show you guys the icon and everything. So there it is, SideStore, guys. And yeah, it's honestly super awesome. I highly recommend this app. So like, check it out, guys. So you can browse for new apps, and let me just show you guys my app section here. So there it is, like Play, Providence, SideStore, loaded. I'm going to activate Dolphin later for some emulation, guys. Yeah, so I'll show you guys exactly how to get this SideStore app in just a few minutes, guys, on iOS 26, 27, no matter what device or version you guys are on. It's super simple to do, guys. It's like a 2-minute process. No computer is required, no jailbreak is required. You can get any IPA files using this on your iPhone, your iPad. You know, I've seen people using this on iPhone Air, even on iPhone 17 Pro, Max, everything, guys. And it's like, it's very, very simple setup process. Like I said, all you need is your browser, and that's it. You don't need to connect your phone to your computer or anything like that, guys. Literally all you guys need to get this app is just a Wi-Fi connection, and that's it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this on your device. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop open our browsers here, guys, and we're going to head on over to here. Okay, so just get this typed in, guys. Oh, whoops, it was too quick there. So just get that typed in, guys, into your browsers. Make sure you got that in there, guys, with no spelling mistakes or anything, and you just want to hit that go button. Once you hit the go button, you want to just search for SideStore. So there it is, SideStore, and you want to just tap on that. So there it is, guys, get SideStore for all iOS and Android devices. And yeah, so literally from here, guys, the steps are very, very simple. You just tap on here and you hit that start button, guys, and once you hit the start button, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now once that bar is finished, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. Once you're at the setup wizard, all you guys have to do is just do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do, because basically when you get the apps and do exactly what their instruction says to do, it initiates a file transfer to your device for all the files for that for the SideStore app. Okay, within a few minutes of completing the instructions properly, the app will load on your device with all the features working. If it doesn't load within a few minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, do more of the apps, and do exactly what their instructions say to do. Okay, guys, I mean, honestly, if it doesn't work the first time, guys, just go back, do all of the apps. I recommend honestly just doing all the apps from the start, guys, so you don't have to keep going back and doing it over again. That's what I did, and I got it working flawlessly. Okay, guys, so that's how to get SideStore on iOS 26 and 27 and 18 on iPhone and iPad, and install SideStore and get any IPA files, guys. And like I said, if you're having any issues with the setup process, guys, just take your time with it. Be patient. Don't rush through the steps or anything like that, guys. And just do exactly what each individual app's instruction says to do, and you'll get that SideStore app on your phone instantly. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out.